We're talking about money. Okay guys, so here is another video all about how much money I make, because you guys seem to really like it when I talk about that, and who doesn't love talking about taboo topics? So just a few months ago, I think about 3 months ago, I made a video about how much money my YouTube channel makes, and it got an amazing response. It's gotten a lot of views and a lot of comments, and also a lot of people have asked for an update, because when I made that video about 3 months ago, I had a little less than half the number of subscribers that I currently have. So I think that right now I'm about to hit 70,000 subscribers, and at that time I had about 30,000 subscribers. And yes, my channel has grown a whole lot. But in that video I was sharing about how much money my channel makes, and as a lot of people observed, my channel was making kind of a lot of money for only having 30,000 subscribers. So a lot of you guys have been asking for an update for me to share with you how much money my channel is making now that I have more than twice as many subscribers, and I'm happy to report that yes, my channel is making almost twice as much money, so good news. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you behind the scenes on my YouTube dashboard, where everything is explained about exactly how much money my channel makes, but also how much money I'm making per view roughly, and exactly which videos are making which amounts of money, and everything like that. I'm going to go into the nitty-gritty, but in this video I'm also going to be covering how YouTubers get paid, because a lot of people did ask me that last time. How do we actually get paid? Are we getting paid per view or per ad or per subscriber, and how do we actually get the money? So that's actually what I'm going to talk about first, and then we're going to head over onto my YouTube dashboard. Before I get into how YouTubers make money, I just wanted to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make 2 videos every week, and I definitely want you to be able to join me for the next one and not miss it. YouTube analytics tell me that about 85% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel, so if that sounds like you, then make sure you hit that red button down below. Okay, so in answer to how do YouTubers make money, the long and the short of it is whenever one of these ads is shown around a video, whether it's playing before the video starts or it is playing in the banner section of the video or even next to the video, whenever YouTube displays one of these ads, if someone clicks on it, then the business that's running the ad. So for example, if I am L'Oreal and I am paying to run my ad on YouTube, L'Oreal only pays YouTube when someone actually clicks on the ad. So someone clicks on that L'Oreal ad, and then L'Oreal pays YouTube somewhere between 50 cents and $10. It's probably in the $2, $3, $4 range, but it varies a lot based on what they're advertising and how many people are clicking on it and a lot of other things. But anyway, L'Oreal pays YouTube a certain amount of money, and then YouTube gives half that money to the person who actually made the video. So if someone clicks on the L'Oreal ad and L'Oreal pays YouTube $3, then YouTube turns around and hands $1.50 to the person who made the video which the ad was displayed on. So as you might realize, depending on what your videos are about and depending on who's watching them, different ads will be shown on your videos, and different companies pay YouTube different amounts of money for these different ads. So different YouTubers make vastly different amounts of money depending on what their video is about, how likely their audience is to click on ads, and a whole lot of other variables. All that to say, different niches on YouTube, like gaming channels or beauty channels or personal development channels like this one, they all make different amounts of money, and then it depends a lot on how many views they get, because of course the more people who watch a video, the more people who will click on an ad. Okay, and then every month YouTube is tracking all the different people who click on the ads, of course, and they're racking up how much money a YouTuber actually earns, and then after the month ends, YouTube will pay out to the YouTuber on about the 25th of the following month. So I get a check on the 25th or so of every single month for the previous month's ad earnings. Okay, so I hope that that answered all of your questions about how YouTubers make money. If you have any more questions about it though, please leave them down in the comments. But now let's head over onto my actual YouTube dashboard on my computer, and I will share with you all the nitty-gritty of exactly how much money my channel is currently making. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard of my YouTube Creator Studio, and you can see I've got my videos and my comments and everything, but what we are going to focus on today is the analytics and seeing exactly how much money my YouTube channel is currently making. So inside the analytics, YouTube tells me lots of different things, like how many minutes people are watching on my videos and how many views I'm getting, likes, dislikes, yeah, how many people are subscribing to my channel, of course. But here we have it says estimated revenue. And you can see that this is the last 28 days, my YouTube channel has made a little over $3,000. And it's been pretty similar to this for about the last 3 months. So I'm just going to click on this. And so here we can see exactly how much money it's making every day. The lowest is about $80 a day, and then these highest points are almost $150, and the average is probably something like 105 or 120. So it's making around $100 a day, which obviously equals around $3,000 a month. And then let's just change this so that we can see a longer period of time. We'll change it to see the last 90 days. Okay, so here we're looking at the last 90 days, and as you can see, it's just about 3 times $3,000. So it looks like on average, I'm making a bit more than $3,000 per month. It looks like the month that was now 3 months ago, if you will, I made a bit less. And then last month I made a bit more, and this month I've made right about 3,000. So, I mean, it definitely varies from one month to the next, but on average, I'm making about $3,000 a month. If you scroll down here, we can look at how much money each of the videos is making, ranked according to which video is making the most money. And so let's just change this back real quick to just the last 28 days so that we can see how much money each of these videos is making per month. And there's a reason I want to point this out. As you can see, my most popular video that's been going kind of viral for the past month or so made about $1,500, and then I have a whole bunch of videos that made $100 or $150, $200 here, and then a whole bunch of videos that just made about 20 bucks. And so obviously there's this one video that made about half that money, and right now it's this video, but I've been making $2,000 or $3,000 every month for the last 4, 5, 6 months now. And the reason is because I almost always have at least one video that is going viral like this and is producing half the income. And that's also why sometimes it dips. Sometimes the months are not as profitable as other months, because on those months, maybe my last viral video had finally kind of tapered off to where it wasn't going as viral and getting as many views. But then other videos hadn't picked up yet, and so I didn't have a new viral video. And so those are the months when my revenue dips and I only make, $2,000, and then another one starts to go viral, and again, that viral video will make $1,000 or $1,500. Okay, and then the other thing that I wanted to share with you guys is the ad rates. So the ad rates are showing how much money is actually being made per view or per click based on how much money businesses are paying to have their ads shown on my videos. Now, as you can see, this number right here is almost double what you saw on the other page, the $3,000. This is going on $6,000, and that's because this is actually showing how much money businesses are actually paying to YouTube, and then YouTubers get about half of this money. So this is showing all the money that was spent on my channel, and I'm getting half of that, which is the $3,000. So if we come down here, obviously all of these numbers will be double also. So you can see how many monetized playbacks, so that's just how many video views there were that had ads on them, that it took to make that much money. And as you can see, it got about 200,000, and it made over 2,000. So that means it made $12.31 per 1,000 views. Okay, and so what is really interesting and important about this is that different videos get different cost per mil. So they get different ad rates because businesses are bidding on these ads, and so they aren't paying YouTube just a flat fee for running an ad. depending on the industry, depending on the specific video, how competitive it is, a lot of different things affect how much money they have to pay YouTube, and that affects how much money I end up making. So you can see at the lowest end, some videos like this one right here, how to wake up at 5 a.m., the ads on this video were only paying me $8.63 for every 1,000 views. But on the high end here, Facebook ads on a small budget tutorial, I was making $30 for every 1,000 views that video got, because ads that run on Facebook ad related videos are very expensive ads, which makes sense because advertisers are competing for that space. Advertisers know that paying for ads is a great investment. And so people who are interested in running ads about Facebook ads are people who are interested in investing a lot of money, and so it gets really competitive really fast. So that makes sense, as opposed to down here, how to wake up at 5 a.m., there aren't as many businesses that are trying to advertise in that space, and they're not bidding as competitively. So the other thing that ends up greatly affecting my revenue every month is, like I said, most months I have a video or two that's going viral and is getting a much larger number of views than all my other videos, which is fine, but you just have to keep in mind that sometimes that video that's really popular is a video that has a great cost per mil, and other times it is one that doesn't make very much money, and that affects my revenue a whole lot. Okay, well, I really hope that that answered most of your questions about exactly how much money my channel makes. Like I said, as I'm filming this video, my channel currently is about to hit 70,000 subscribers, so just in case you're watching in the future, of course you can see when this video is filmed, but just to give you a benchmark, this is how much money my channel is making with 70,000 subscribers. Okay, so my big question for you is, do these numbers surprise you? Is my channel making way more or way less money than you would have thought that a YouTuber makes? I'm really curious to hear your reaction, so leave me a comment down below to share. Also, I really want to know, do you have any questions about starting or growing a YouTube channel? The reason I want to know is because I'm about to release my latest workshop. It's called Channel Launch: YouTube Success from Scratch. As you might guess from the title, it is all about how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel based on everything that I've learned over this past year of running my own YouTube channel and everything that my marketing team back at the marketing company that I run has figured out based on all the research that they've done. I'll leave a link down below where you can check out the workshop for yourself if it sounds like something you might be interested in. But a week after the workshop itself is released, I'm going to be doing a live Q&A, and so that's why I want to know if you have any questions, because I would love to answer your questions on the live Q&A. Also, at the end of the live Q&A, I'm going to be analyzing a bunch of the attendees' YouTube channels. So if you want to have me do a review of your YouTube channel, then make sure that you do sign up for the workshop down below, because that's the only way to get a review of your YouTube channel. Okay, well, I think that that is everything for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing behind the scenes of my YouTube channel. If so, make sure you hit that like button to let me know, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make 2 videos every single week about intentional living, entrepreneurship, and success, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.